And of course, MA, we would like to thank KFC Catering Services, Auntie Che Colanay and Company. Maraming salamat!
Thank you, Ate Che.
And again, sa ating mga NGOs, kasama rin natin dito ngayon ang ating MTC, headed by Judge Jamila and Company. Maraming salamat po.
Yes, at sa ating itong mga sagot ng barangay officials, headed by our barangay captains, thank you so much.